A troubleshooting guide on Nintendo Switch dock not working. Introduction. The Nintendo Switch is a beloved gaming console offering the flexibility of playing games both on the go and on the big screen. However, encountering issues with the Nintendo Switch dock can be a frustrating experience. In this video, we'll delve into common problems that users face with the dock and provide you with troubleshooting solutions to get it working again. But before that, watch this intro. Solution time. Number 1. Check connections. The first step is to ensure that all connections are secure. Disconnect the power cable and HDMI cable from the dock and reattach them firmly. Also, double check the connection between the dock and the Nintendo Switch console itself. Loose connections can often cause the dock to malfunction. Number 2. Power cycle. Performing a power cycle can resolve various issues. Disconnect the power cable from the dock and the wall outlet, then wait for a few minutes before reconnecting. This action can help reset any temporary glitches in the system. Number 3. Switch dock reset. If power cycling doesn't work, try resetting the dock. Locate the small circular button on the back of the dock and press it for approximately 15 seconds. This action will reset the dock's firmware and may resolve any software related issues. Number 4. Check HDMI and display settings. Ensure that your television or monitor is set to the correct input source for the HDMI connection. Additionally, verify the display settings on your Nintendo Switch console. Navigate to System Settings, then TV Output, and ensure the correct settings are selected. Number 5. Try an alternative dock or accessories. If you have access to another Nintendo Switch dock or accessories, try using them to isolate the problem. This step can help determine if the issue lies with the dock itself or other components. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.